Good evening, good morning, hello, goodbye, and all the things in between. Today's episode of You Can Do Anything with AI. I have a really cool product to show you, and while it's been an absolute mess to create, I'll tell you exactly why. It's been a pleasure. I've been learning a ton. So here we've got the AI Tutor Math Problem Solver. Okay? And my initial thought was that I wanted to build something that's really similar to what OpenAI did with Khan Academy. I loved Khan Academy, got me through AP Chem. And what that meant to me is that there would be a live streaming agent bidirectional happening with visual and audio. I found that this was possible with Google ADK, and maybe I'll talk more about what I'm going to do later, but for now, let me show you this functionality. So let's upload an image. We've got this beautiful interactive canvas with nice contrast. Let's delete that, and let's upload a file. I've got this problem saved. Okay, got a little word problem. So I have a few options. This is for debugging. I have a solve problem component. Which is not popping up a chat, but that's quite all right. Let's just refresh this because we don't end up using that anyway. Let's upload our question. We have a start tutor. This was a test. Actually, this is where we're functioning now. We have our Socratic tutor. It's our test because we're trying to level this up. Okay, so the question is, he's asking me Socratically. I'm already anthropomorphizing. What is the total number of fruits that you start with? Well, let's see if I can get the answer wrong and how it'll respond. If I have 3 apples and I have 4 oranges, just say I'm a 4-year-old and I only saw apples. How he responds. It says look closer, okay? How many do you have in closer before taking away? He's gently reminding me that we should stick to one stage of the process. Let's just give him the correct answer now. Am I supposed to add numbers? Haven't tried this before. Okay, I've got some positive encouragement, so let's go 7! Exclamation, see if it matches my attitude. We can implement a RAG to do stylistic student modeling, things like that. So great, now you take 2 fruit away. I think it's 9. Let's add it instead of subtracting, which might be a mistake that a very young elementary student might make. Oh, see, now you can see here that the application is guiding me towards subtraction specifically. So you can see that he recognized specifically that my angle was to do addition. Oh, so it must be 5. And he guided me towards subtraction because I was using the wrong. Looks like it reset here, approved my answer, and then said we could conclude that better. But this is a ridiculously exciting project. Here's another version I'm working on, bidirectional streaming with ADK. I have some qualms, definitely, with how Google is setting up their SDK, their agent development kit. They want to make it similar to the old style of software engineering. But also, a lot of this technology is so new that to use AI to develop it is causing really significant problems. So one of my main challenges with multi-agent orchestration, especially with Google's ADK, which has a specific feature that I need, is that AI can't just scaffold it the way it can with other things. And so I've gone through the most remakes of any project that I've had so far. I'm on my 3rd remake, but I'm really committed to making this work with audio and visual and a whiteboard. A friend of mine told me that the OpenAI Khan Academy tool actually underperforms. He couldn't get it to work. And you can see in that case that Imran, the son of Salman Khan, had to correct, and I'll have to show, but had to correct and guide specifically to where it goes. And you could see someone not moving in that moment, being proud of his son for the way it was rehearsed. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. You should be very excited for V2. which should come out in the next couple of days. Be well, good morning, goodbye, good hello, and everything else.